Welcome back. The government, in a crucial rejoinder in the High Court in lease renewal case, has expressed need to get clarification from the Supreme Court on grant of fresh leases. The Goa government wants to understand if fresh leases, as mentioned in the SC order, can be interpreted as renewal of leases, which is also a fresh grant. The government has pleaded before the High Court to dismiss the petition by some mining companies seeking renewal of their leases.
The rejoinder filed by Goa government and the High Court hints towards the direction that government may take while forming new mining policy. The rejoinder raises following issues with respect to the lease renewal while expecting clarification from the Apex Court. In what manner to grant fresh leases? High Court cannot say that fresh leases means fresh grants. Only SC can clarify on the term fresh leases used in its order. Every renewal can be a fresh grant, but every fresh lease is not a renewal. The rejoinder further clarifies Goa government's stand on the stamp duty collected by the 28 mining leases, while maintaining that any renewal done before the Supreme Court order is null and void now. The rejoinder denies Directorate of Mines renewing the leases after acceptance of stamp duty amount. The Directorate of Mines agreed for in-principle renewal after accepting stamp duty. In-principle renewal is not a final approval and the letter cannot be considered as renewal order. The rejoinder also speaks about paying extraction and production amount to certain mining companies from the money derived from e-auctioning of the extracted ore. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Second day of Assembly session saw heated arguments between CM Parrikar and Kumbasua MLA Pandurang Markaikar. Parrikar accused Markaikar of corruption in land acquisition at Old Goa. Parrikar will give the land acquisition case to Anti-Corruption Branch for investigation.
Old Goa Police Station, हालीकडेच आमच्या Honorable Chief Minister visit केला काय कितें या police stationाक आणि या police stationाक जर visit केला जाल्यार जे आता existing premises आसा ती area कितलीशी आसा.
Can Minister suggest a land where we can acquire?
Speaker sir, खूप जागे आसा actually या police stationाचो प्रश्न हांव गेली 10 वर्सां या विधानसभेन मांडटा.
Today when I took out the 114 form, I find the name of Messrs. Markaikar Builders and Developers as the owner. म्हणजे acquisition कर म्हणून सांगून जमीन शेवटी तुवेंच घेतली मरे. तुवें ताका कितें कितें केलें तें तो ताका विचारतकच सांगतलो.
Speaker sir. Speaker sir.
आतांय तूं जमीन सांगतलो ती फाल्यां तूं विकतो घेवचो ना कशा वयल्यान.
म्हणून म्हटलं हांवें तुमकां प्रायवेट पेक्षा थंयसर घेवपाक बाकीचे गव्हर्नमेंट
I want to keep it on the record of the House that this is nothing short of corruption. This is a clear-cut use of Land Acquisition Act for purpose of personal benefit. It comes under 13 Section 13(1)(d), and I want to place it on the table of the House. We will take the cognizance of it, and I am directing Police Anti-Corruption Branch today to investigate it.
Honourable member might have shown that this land may be acquired, and after 10 years if he buys it, I don't think it's any crime or anything.
Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik hopes that Parrikar government will take party in opposition into confidence while leading a delegation on special status to Delhi. MP Shantaram had earlier tabled a bill in the Rajya Sabha after thorough discussions and deliberations with the legal experts. He says his draft could be referred as relevant constitutional amendments are necessary to give special power to the state to legislate laws for protecting its land and culture.
MP claims that it is not proper on Chief Minister's part to solely blame Goans for selling their lands to the foreigners, considering the facts and circumstances NRGs face.
ही सूचना खरें बरी आसा तातूंत वायट कांय ना पूण ह्या डेलिगेशना भितर विरोधी पक्षांक विश्वासांत घेतले काय कितें हें म्हाका खबर ना. मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी गोंयकारांक थोडोसो दोश दिलो की आपली प्रॉपर्टी विकता म्हणून, पूण ताणें समजून घेवना की तांचेर कांय तरी कंपल्शन्स आसतात म्हणून हें अशें जाता. पूण तरी सुद्दां हो कायदो आयलो जायत पूण आपली प्रॉपर्टी विकची ना तर कायद्यानुसार तांकां वागचें पडटलें.
Shantaram Naik has also demanded in the Rajya Sabha during 0 hour that hospitals should not be allowed to trade in medical devices and recover high costs from patients. Government should permit patients to procure such devices from the open market.
जे हॉस्पिटल ते स्टेंड्स पेसमेकर्स आणि वाल्व हांचे खातीर चार्ज पे करतात, लोकांक भायल्यान वस्तू हाडपाक दिनात आणि हॉस्पिटलाचे जवळ जवळ 70% प्रॉफिट ह्या वस्तू भितर आसता. म्हणटकीच हे भायल्यान हाडपाचे पळय आसा ते बॅन जावपाक जाय. हॉस्पिटलांक ही फॅसिलिटी ट्रेड करपाची ह्या वस्तूंचे दिवपाक जायना अशें मत आसा आनी हांवें सबमीट केलें.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.